got this nice nasty dent here. We got a lot of people here, but we're debating if we should push a little bit or pull. I think we're gonna hook the perfect pull up to this, and we're gonna pull some pressure and then tap down some of these crowns here. Nobody really thinks this is going to be a cakewalk, or I don't think nobody would. If you did think it was going to be a cakewalk, that's where you get yourself in trouble. We're really worried about this paint, if it's going to crack, because it's got a real deep dent in the middle of the body line and it's bowed out like crazy. So we're going to put our heads together and see what we can do.
He's feeling about that.
On his phone. He's watching right now.
And he can see what the car's at.
Yeah. We have the number that we know what it is.
He can see. But he can't hear. No microphones, right?
So basically what you're saying, you would start here and here. So my thought process of doing that, it feels like I'm kind of stretching more material than needed, you know, that I'm starting off and I'm already like forcing that up a little bit. See, like I was saying earlier, Mike.
This really is like what's changing it up.
Right.
Because it's so, I mean, it's not, there's no range.
Well, listen, you don't do too much of anything. You just do a little bit, right? And then you do, and then you see what's going to give and what's going to take.
If you're pushing like all, like even like, because you can see, I mean, if from here, I mean, if you're pushing all this, even flat up, like
somebody get the glue gun. Okay. All right. So. Listen, I'm going to give, watch. Nobody wants to say anything, and then as soon as I give my opinion, everybody's like, no, I would do it this way. Watch, dude.
I don't want to block.
So I would literally just, I'm not going to try to, I'm going to pull it. I would place it here and then pull it a little bit. I'm not going to yank for glory, but I want I want to take that tension off that. Start releasing that tension and come down here. Then start using a crease tab, sneaking in here. But also want to see, like what Shane says, keep tension on and see if any of this will want to go. That reverse crown wants to lift up.
It's not going to lift on its own.
No, it's not. Definitely not going to.
But, you know.
You're going to need some tension. Exactly.
Okay.
All right,
let's do it.
So we're using some tab weld on this one. Okay.
This glue takes longer to dry, so like let hold.
I've got a fog light over there.
We're gonna use this apparently.
Shane, can you go live on Facebook? You know how to go?
No, I don't need it. Just move up and down.
Oh yeah, it's got a little horn. Do that and then you can tighten it. It's not going to go nowhere, trust me. That's how it's going. And generally, guys, that you do have it. It's got another way. Anything give? Is it anything working, Jeff? Any give? By the way, that is a that tap down, guys, is a weighted tap down with the new tap down tip that Anson has now. R4 tip with a like a more broad tip. Yeah.
Definitely 200.
Here's some alcohol.
I already know what Jeff's about.
These two guys are cracking me up. Look at these photos. Look at these.
How's it going, Corey? Do you want to switch off camera, dude? No, if you want to. Oh, no. How many people?
like a plastic tip, like that one right behind you right there. I need that knockdown right there.
Yeah, you're too soft.
When it comes to big dents, or any dent for that matter, you have to be aware, regardless if you're a professional PDR technician or just a spectator watching on YouTube. Every dent comes down to the details. Now, we spend 90% of our time on the last 10% of the repair. Over the years, we have learned in PDR, how you start is how you will finish. So it's really important that you take more time in the beginning so you save a lot more time in the end.
So what's been the biggest challenge so far, Shane? Oops.
Oh, cleaning up the mess.
Yeah, so you can
I
see,
can't
right?
see.
Looks like you got that dent, most of that top out.
Yeah.
Huh?
It's almost there, man.
Actually, it's surprisingly clean, dude. You guys cleaned that up, dude.
A pilot hook would work good right here.
Which one?
A pilot hook. Fixed it all.
Everybody, team effort here, man. This has been about the 5th Dent Meetup, and it never seems to disappoint. We all learn and grow as a whole, regardless if we're fixing a dent together or discussing how to better ourselves in the market. We leave something to take home, and that reflects us just to be better. Hope all of you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.